So here's a Amazon Fire HD10 tablet, the 2023 model, and you have an issue with the screen is frozen or unresponsive, or maybe it's stuck somewhere. Maybe you can't swipe, you're trying to get to the power off menu here, maybe you can't get here, you're tapping power off or restart, it doesn't do anything, okay? So what you can typically do is you can just force it to restart, okay? So let's pretend I have a frozen or unresponsive screen here. All you have to do with the power button here, you have the power button and volume up and down rockers here. Power button is here. What you want to do is press and hold that power button for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, let go, count to 5 seconds, and then press and hold again until the Amazon logo appears, okay? So we'll do it together. Pretend my screen here is unresponsive, frozen. Here's the power button, ready, set, go. Press and hold and count to 20 seconds. Don't worry about what's on the screen here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let go. Count to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now power button. Press and hold. Now keep on holding until the Amazon logo appears here. So I'm still holding onto the power button. There's the Amazon logo. Go ahead and let go and let it boot up normally. And once it boots up, you should be out of the frozen screen. However, if once it boots back up and you're frozen again, just do the same method again. Sometimes you got to do it 2 or 3 times, okay? Anyway, there you go.